Let's take a closer look at the Seagate one-touch solid-state drive. I bought this to go with my Mac for my video editing, and wow, that is small. Like, I knew it was small, but I didn't know it was that small. That's impressive. It holds up to 1 terabyte of data, and it transfers at speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second on USB 3.2 Generation 2. Comes with 2 cords, USB-C and a USB-A cord. You only use one of them, whichever one you need at the time. Most devices now are going to use USB-C, but if you have an older device, you might need the USB-A cord. It does not require external power. It gets all the power it needs from the USB cord, and it's simple to plug in. You just plug the USB cord into the plug, and you plug it into your computer. It also came with a promo for Dropbox. I got a 6-month free trial offer, and it came with a promo for Rescue Data Recovery Services. This works with Apple computers, Mac operating systems, as well as Windows PC computers. While it's clearly made for travel, it's not especially rugged or anything I'd consider shockproof, just a small, reliable external drive. For comparison, here's my Samsung T7 solid-state drive, and Seagate is significantly smaller than this. I'm really impressed. I thought the Samsung was small. Yeah, this suits my needs really well. I'm looking forward to filling it up with video footage and using it for editing.